Here's my new favorite midnight snack. Toasted bacon and mayonnaise sandwiches. And it's so easy. I have this Black Label fully cooked original bacon. There's like 72 slices in this package. There's like 5 layers. And you can microwave it. It's fully cooked. You microwave it. 2 slices for 10 seconds, 4 slices for 15, and 6 slices 20 seconds. That's going to be quicker than the toast. So I'm going to start the toast. And when the toast is almost done, I'm going to microwave maybe 8 slices. So I might go 30 seconds. It's amazing and delicious. Put some bacon on this paper plate with a paper towel. Layers and layers. I think I used the layer already. Just put them on here. Separated. Is it easy so far? Is that enough for 2 sandwiches? Bacon. 8 slices. Make it 10. Okay, we're gonna go in for 35 seconds in the microwave. I got the toast down already. Let's pop it in. Microwave. That's 40 seconds. For 10 slices. What do you think? It smells delicious. It's hot and crunchy, just right. It's the right thickness. If you like thick, thin bacon, where's my toast? Here comes the toast. I heard it pop up. I hope it's brown enough. Oh, oh yeah. Just right. Ouch! Let's make it the toast with the most. Oh, that's right. I'm supposed to be quiet. This is a midnight snack. Let's see. Let's go like this. Like this. Ready? Hold the mayo.
A little mayonnaise there. A little mayonnaise there. A little mayonnaise there. A little mayonnaise there.
Like it so far? Get your crunchy bacon. Let it hang out a little bit. It's alright. 5 slices on each. Crisscross, sideways, X's and O's. Look at this. My new favorite midnight snack. Look at this one. Bacon mayonnaise on toast with that Black Label bacon, pre-cooked. Here we go. Don't wake nobody up. And remember what this guy says. Time to eat. And when in doubt, add bacon. Shh. Try this for your midnight snack or your breakfast. I could eat some more. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm.